Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you all doing fine. It's another beautiful day. Thank God we are alive. And guys, today we are here in this site where I'm trying to make some arrangements for the house so that I can live here. So guys, today I came with someone just for clearing the ground, and then I'm waiting for the AC fundi to come and install the AC. Yeah, so it's just the update about today, guys. And here we have our fundi is here, one of the helpers. I don't know how to call them in English. So here is the guy, guys. Ima, mambo.
Yes, am
Uko poa? Sema hi. Ima, sema hi.
Hi.
Yeah, guys, he's busy. It's sunny, so that's what is going on here. So he's just trying to clear because I'm trying to make a way here in the middle of this ground, because right now it's filled with stones, so we cannot get, it's not easy to pass. Even you cannot let the car in because that place isn't leveled. So he's trying to level. I also got one lady. She also told me she can do something for planting just trying to start up with the garden. So she will come tomorrow, guys. Again, here is our AC. I'm waiting for here. This is the AC. I'm waiting for the fundi to come for installation. Fundi, these are the technicians. Fundi is a common Swahili word that we use for technician. Whoever has certain skill, we call them fundi. So guys, let's be together here. We will see what comes in the day. Guys, thank you so much for always supporting me. I really appreciate you, and as I keep improving, I hope everything will be all right one day. Let's see how the day goes, guys. It's still in the morning. It's 10, but the sun is all over. The sun is out as if it is in the afternoon. And guys, have you noticed the magic African hair? This hair, you may think I've just shaved it, but no. My hair, I haven't shaved it, I just washed it. Like African hairs do shrink. So the moment I washed it, it came down. You may think it's very, very short, but it's still long the way it was. It just has to, it is shrink, it is tangled, I don't know, like that. So I didn't shave my hair. I expect some people maybe could ask if I shaved my hair. I didn't. I just washed it. That's it. If tomorrow I want it to be long again, I just use either the blow dryer, hot comb, or something like that, just to stretch them and make them long again. Yes. So guys, here inside I have something I have to show you really quick. Here is the office, guys. I have something here I wanted to share with you. Here, guys, I have this one. Guess what is inside? Guess what is inside here? Guys, this one, I made it before I left for my own inspiration. I wanted to have something that I look up to, that will always remind me of something. Either it will motivate me, or it will just remind me of something. So guys, I went to a studio. This is what I did. So I printed I printed pictures. I have one here. This is Oprah Winfrey. This one to me is a symbol of abundance. Is a woman looking up to her, tells me that I can do it no matter what. I just have to keep in the work. Okay, here, this is one of the famous Tanzanian politicians, but before she used to be a model. She was once a second runner in Miss Tanzania, but again she went to be a model, again an entrepreneur. Right now she's really doing well when it comes to politics. Whatever position she gets, she does it very well. I'm telling you, almost she might be a role model to all ladies around here. I don't think she has some haters. Everyone has, but for this one, she's too loved. Her name is Jokate Mwegelo. So this one, when I look at her, she inspires me so much. That's why she's there. Guys, guess who? This is my very mentor. The person that when I listen to him, looking up to him, I feel like I'm talking to my own father. He has been everything, like whatever he says. Oh guys, this is him. Himself, the late Dr. Miles Monroe. This legend from Bahamas. I hope most of you know him. He's very famous. He was a preacher, but at the same time has been mentoring so many people. And even guys, some people don't even know that he is no longer. They just listen to him thinking he's still alive, but he passed away in the year 2014. Yes, like that. But his legacy is so alive. So for me, he's my mentor, like, yes. So guys, well, who do we have? Wow. See? Guys, I have this one. This is Lisa Nichols. This one, to me, he's an inspiration, he's a motivation, he's a true definition of a hardworking lady. From nobody to somebody. I really appreciate her. Like, she's just everything. For me, every time I look at her, it's like she's telling me, get up, go do something. Just like that. So that's why I love her so much. Okay, so she's going to be here also to always remind me of working hard. Again, I have this one last. Guess who? A father. A king of kindness. The late Frank Caprio. Yes. It's just recent. It's less than a month, I think, since he passed away. I think, is it passing away or he passed on? So guys, this one, when I look at him, he always reminds me of humbleness. He reminds me of kindness. So I really want these pictures to be in my office so that when I look at these people, they talk to my spirit. Really, they really talk to my spirit. So this is what I did. I printed these ones before I even traveled to Kenya, but now I'm making arrangement to hang them to that wall there, right there. They will be just right there. See, in the white hole there, where I can see them every time when I'm in the office. Yes, guys, what do you think? I don't know. I think some people also do that. I'm not the only one. Yeah, but now this is me. I hope they are going to really look good on that wall. So guys, the food has arrived, but some things are missing, so I'm going to find them. Some I think I left them at home, but some I have to buy because we are also fixing the fans. So there's these things they call thread. So it's what I'm going to find right now. Outside, see, you can just sit like this, but it's very hot, very hot. Anyways, we keep pushing. I'm heading home just to get to see if I'll get those things. Guys, sadly I didn't find those metal stuffs that were supposed to be there for the AC to be fixed today. So I'm looking forward either to buy it, but not today. So guys, all I got is just those parts of fan that were missing. It's the one that I've got. So I'm just taking them there. I'm not so happy, but okay, I will do it next time. It's not a big deal. Guys, there has been too much traffic late recently. I didn't know what was going on, but I think there is accident. Oh God, there is accident. So many people have gathered, guys. See, there's a breakdown car. There's even the traffic officer there. A very short distance. We've taken a long time. I didn't know there was accident. That's the reason why. It's not allowed. Like I couldn't hold my camera while driving, and the traffic officer is there. It's not even safe, even for me. Because there's one accident, then you cause another one. Fundi zoezi kumbe uliendelea, vitu vimeshindikana, vimekosekana. Hamna kweli, yani kule sijui vilienda wapi. Nimesikitika sana. Nimetafuta hamna kabisa. Nimegoma. Guys, see, the AC process has just started. Here, I don't know why. Not yet fixed to the fan. One fan is fixed, this one. Guys, we are here with the technician, with the fundi. We are trying to finish this work. I'm not sure if we are going to finish it because still we do not have all it takes to fix it, guys. Yeah, now see, the water is coming out. This fan also has to go in the other room, in the bedroom. AC will be here in the living room. Plus there's this fan in the office, guys. So yule alokuletea vichuma? Huyo sio hapa. Unataka nini? Dukani hapa? Hapa? Yule bodaboda ni wa mbali, yule sio hapa. Na hii duka hapa linaweza likawa na hivyo vitu kweli? Hapa labda tumuombe hii achukue. The guy is really working hard. I know it's not easy because it's too much sun outside here. Yeah, but he's trying. He's trying his best. And so guys, here is the final look. Here is the final look. I really like it. I really love it. The fan is funny. The other one is working. Yeah, so things are well. So things are going well. This one is working too. I'm very excited, especially about the office. I just can't wait to settle down, guys. Just wish me well. There's still a lot of work ahead. But slowly we will get there. And so guys, here we are. We haven't finished with the AC yet. You see, because some parts we didn't find them. Maybe until tomorrow, but the rest of fans are done. So here is our Ima is tired. It's afternoon. Imagine it's around 3 p.m. and he is tired because of the sun, guys. So we are ending here for today. Until next time. So guys, thank you so much for watching. You're always welcome back. I really appreciate your support. Yes, also I see your comments that I'm improving. Thank you so much. So let's just keep growing together, guys. Till next time, bye bye for now. Peace.